Here is the overview for the week for AP Chemistry 1, Chapter 2. Here we are on October 19th, and today we have a review WebEx for everyone at 11:50 in the morning, and this will get you ready for the Chapter 2 test, which is either on Tuesday if you're an A group, or Thursday if you are a B group or a DL group. A group has a polyatomic ion quiz today, and then the practice test right here is linked there as well, and that's your assignment that's due today. The test is all multiple choice, 50 questions, and it is timed at 55 minutes. Also, on the day when you are not taking the test, you're starting Chapter 3, and you have videos 1, 2, and 3 to watch. On the day that you are not taking the test, you have videos 1, 2, and 3 to watch. And then there is a lab that begins also on the day when you are not taking the test, and this is called the Balancing Chemical Equations Lab. You need to go to the Chapter 3 schedule, which we're going to do right now, to see the next few days. So here is the Chapter 3 schedule, and you can see here's the test for A group, and the same links as you just saw in the previous schedule. And then here is the Balancing Chemical Equations Lab, which is a simulation. I'll click on the link for you so you can see what the simulation looks like. You click on the play button right here, and the interactive simulation shows up. Click on the seesaw, and then you have to make sure that there are the same atoms on one side as the other. The lab report is linked right here. It's a Google Drive document. You need to make a copy of this and follow the directions inside of here for what to complete. Then there is a turn-in form right here at the bottom. When you're done with the lab, you'll go to this turn-in form, put your last name, first name, and the link to your shared document. Make sure it's shared in that anyone can view. On Friday and Monday, it's actually the same exact assignment. Watch and take notes for videos 4, 5, and 6 from Chapter 3. By the way, the Chapter 3 YouTube playlist is linked right here, and you can see here's video 1, 2, 3, and then you have to watch 4, 5, and 6 on that day. And we'll make sure that those are linked right here for videos 4, 5, and 6. And then you do problems from Chapter 3, 15, 16, and 27, and this worksheet. Now you have 2 days to complete these 3 videos and these problems in the worksheet. You can see that these videos are also listed right here on the Monday, the 26th, and the problems are also listed there and the worksheet. And so you have 2 days to complete that same, all 3 of those items. Whether you're A day or B day, you get both days. And then you can follow along with what happens in the remainder of Chapter 3 as you go down, and you see we'll test in the middle of November right here. That's the update for this week.